this dance you need a partner, so just grab someone if you don't already have a partner. It doesn't really matter whether it's men and women together, but as long as you have a partner. And more people, we need more people. And when you're up here, let's form up into a big circle, and you'll have the woman on the man's right-hand side, but you'll still be all in one big circle. So let's form up first, and then I'll teach you the dance. John and Miriam here are going to help demonstrate. If you're not sure what to do, just have a look at them. Now, for the first bit of music, you're basically going to be introducing yourself to your partner. So, if you have a look at John and Miriam, they might demonstrate a few techniques. So you can nod, you can give a little bit of a wink, bit of a little blow a kiss, you know, whatever, little back curtsy. Okay, whatever's appropriate. And we're all going to take 4 small steps towards the centre when I tell you. And we'll have to keep them small because there's not much room and you've got to fit it in with the music. And then you take 4 small steps back again, okay? Now, to make it exciting, we're going to go in, 2, 3, 4, but on the count of 4, we'll all go, hey! All right, nice and loud. So let's try that. In we go. In, 2, 3, hey! Back, 2, 3, and again. In, 2, 3, hey! Back, 2, 3, 4. Miriam might just pop in the middle and demonstrate the swing that we're going to do. Face your partner, put your right arm across their waist, and the other one's up in the air like this, and then that goes not so fast as that. And for each phrase of the music you can change direction as they're doing. We'll try this all with the music in a moment. Okay. Now, here's the tricky bit, so we need to listen. At the end of this swinging bit, you're going to end up with the men on the outside facing in, and the women on the inside facing out, okay? So facing out. The women on the inside facing your partner but facing out, okay? Look, let's have a look at John and Miriam. So women facing outwards, men facing inwards, and all the women are going to join hands in a little circle, and all the men are going to join hands in a big circle around the outside. Just before we start this part of the dance, you're going to circle to your left and then come back again, all right? But we're going to make it progressive. So instead of coming back to the person who you have as your partner, you're going to have a look over to the left a little bit, over to your own left, and see the person just diagonally over from you. So John, maybe you can point to who you're going to be with. Okay. Does everyone know who they're going to be with when they finish circling? Okay. So you're going to circle to the left, and it's with a shuffling step like this. Can't really do it up here, but it's left together, like that. And then when the phrase of the music ends, you stop and go back, and then you go right together, and keep going. There's 8 steps altogether, and you end up with your new partner. Okay. And as you finish that, you'll swing the woman around onto the right-hand side, ready to start again, the dance again. So swing your new partner just over to next to the man. Just turn them next to the man. No, not a full-on swing. Just put them next to you. That's all I meant. Just pop them next to you. Okay. Now I reckon we might walk this through. We're going to walk it through with music, okay? Before we actually really get into it. So slowly, here we go. I'll give you a count of 4. 3, here we go. Introducing yourself. Now getting ready to hold hands. And in, 2, 3, hey, back, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, hey, back, 2, 3, 4. Swinging. Change direction. Change direction again. Change direction again. When you've turned into the two circles with the women facing out and the men facing in, you need to check out who your new partner's going to be. So you just glance over to the left, give them a little wave, and then you're ready, okay? So do we need to walk it through one more time, or should we just get right into it? Right, okay. So put the woman on the right of the man now, ready to start, ready for the introductions. John's got to give us a little line of music on the fiddle. So just listen for the little introduction on the fiddle, and then I'll start you.